My name is Amanda Eggert. I'm a digital content strategist for the Kohler Company WasteLAB. What's innovative about the Kohler Company WasteLAB is that we're taking manufacturing waste streams, so things that would otherwise wind up in a landfill, and we're asking the question, what's possible? What can we do with these? What can we make from them? So I brought with me today pottery floor scraps. This is a waste material from the manufacturing process that we are turning into this beautiful crackle tile. Innovation is solving problems with creativity, with your brain power in different ways, flipping the problem upside down and looking at it from a completely different perspective. So the Kohler WasteLAB is largely inspired by nature, and that there isn't any waste in nature. Something from one system feeds into another. It's the circular economy, and that's really what we're driving at with the Kohler WasteLAB.